Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to switch to an Instagram business account from a personal or a creator account. This is just going to be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about Instagram business accounts, what are the benefits and stuff like this, then check out our more detailed blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 where we share some related information that we're not going to mention in this video. You can also find hundreds of tutorials there on social media and Instagram marketing for absolutely free. One more thing before diving into the tutorial. If you want to get more Instagram profile followers, more organic reach without running ads, then check out our Instagram profile growth checklist that you can download from our website, 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞. We are currently giving it away for free. Links to the checklist in the description below. Alright, so as you can see, this is a test account and this is a personal Instagram account, and we're gonna switch now this to a business or a professional account. And all you have to do is open up the profile, then click on the menu bar here, then select settings, then here select account, and scroll down, and here we can see switch to professional account. Professional account is basically business account, so you have to select this one. So as you can see, I have already used this test account as a business account, so Instagram reminds that I can use the previous settings of that business account, but in this case I will click on edit settings. So first you have to select Instagram business category. This can help with Instagram search engine optimization, and our followers or potential followers can get a better idea what your profile is all about. In this case I'm okay with this, so I click on done. Then I have to choose whether I want to create a creator account or a business account. In this case we select business account. If you are an influencer, you can also choose creator account. Then I have to add some business information to my business account in this case, but you can also hide these information so people cannot contact you via Instagram if you want to do so. As you can see, you can click on don't use my contact info. You can also connect to a Facebook page. This is really useful for posting Instagram posts on Facebook automatically and stuff like that. But in this case we'll skip this now. And basically this is it. The Instagram account has been switched to a professional account or business account, and now you will have access to all the Instagram business features that are really useful for businesses or for influencers. So you can start running ads. So as you can see, here's the ad tools, insights, and all this stuff. Alright, before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Instagram profile growth checklist that we use to 10x the number of followers. Keep in mind that we are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking on the link in the description below, or search in Google for 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 and add the keywords Instagram profile growth checklist spreadsheet. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing an Instagram profile, make sure you check out our Instagram marketing tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.